If you're looking for a way to maximize storage in tight kitchen spaces without sacrificing features, this sharp bottom freezer counter depth refrigerator fits seamlessly into compact kitchens with its 24-inch width counter depth design. It features 11.5 cubic feet total capacity with a spacious 4.2 cubic feet bottom freezer. Multi-airflow distributes cold air evenly, while the fresh converter drawer switches between chiller and crisper modes. Includes removable wine rack, reversible doors, and electronic temperature control. Energy Star certified for efficiency, perfect for apartments, condos, or as a secondary refrigerator where space is premium.